Picture a creature straight out of a storybook, a true marvel of nature. The platypus, hailing from the depths of Australia, this enigmatic mammal defies expectations at every turn. With its webbed feet, sleek body, and a bill resembling that of a duck, it's a surreal amalgamation of features. Yet what truly astounds is its venomous spur, a rare trait among mammals. Males wield this hidden weapon, a sharp reminder of nature's inventive prowess. Equipped for a semi-aquatic life, platypuses seal their eyes, ears, and nostrils underwater, relying solely on their sensitive bills to locate prey. Astonishingly, they lay eggs, a rarity among mammals, and nurse their young, showcasing an evolutionary masterpiece that has mystified scientists for centuries.